Hello, and welcome to Cardanit tutorials. With BPMN, you must use specific shapes for each modeling element. However, you can still customize the appearance of your workflow. Cardanit allows you to do so, and today we're going to show you how. Let's start with a simple workflow. You can highlight the most critical task by coloring it red. Just select it and open the Style panel. Our editor gives you a list of predefined colors, but you can create your own list. These will be saved, and you will be able to reuse them for different elements. Changing text fields is easy too. Just select the labels you want to modify and use the text section of the Style panel. If you change the position of the label, it will be aligned automatically. If you prefer, you can still change it. Sequence flows have their style too. You can change color and angles or remove intermediate waypoints with a single click. Don't forget, you can play with the style of your workflow safely. You can undo every action by pressing the undo button or with a Ctrl-Z shortcut at any time. You can also use the reset button in the Style panel to start from scratch with the default style values for all the selected elements. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Thank you for your attention. To make sure you're not missing out our next tutorial, subscribe to our newsletter and receive more useful tips and updates.